Oh, hello. Hi guys, so I am back with another video and this is an exciting video. So basically I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Colourpop Cosmetics on Christmas Day and it's finally come and I'm excited to test out the products in front of you guys for the first time and also show you guys what I picked up. I did pick up a bunch of goodies. I got hit with customs, £16, ridiculous, but I got free shipping because I ordered over $50 worth of products. I've already put foundation and eyebrows down so I can test the other products on camera. Yeah, so let's get on with the video. I ordered the Colourpop concealer in the shade Fair 5. Oh, it has a lovely like crack in it. I ordered the highlighter in the shade Over the Moon. I ordered 2 eyeshadows, the pressed powder shadows in the shades Glass Ball and Snake Eyes. I will give you close-ups of these a bit later. And the other super shocks I got were, I got Whoa! That's his name. Oh, this is pretty. There's like a coppery red. I think I'm gonna start off with my concealer. So I got the shade Fair 5. Looks like this. I've heard really good things about the Colourpop concealer, so I'm very excited to try. As you can see. Hello, Bright. Ooh. I don't know how fast this dries and if, like, how good coverage it is, so I'm going to start off with that for my under eyes, and then, because if it dries quickly then I can do this quicker without putting other stuff on my face. Oh, she definitely reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to put some on my eyelids as well, just to prime. Ooh, she's bright. My beauty blender, just washed it. Smells so good. Okay, I really should have done one at a time. This sets very, very quickly. So it looks like this. So it's definitely bright in my under eyes. I would say it's like a medium coverage, because it does, like, it has covered most of like the dark spots of my face. But I don't know, I do like it. I do need to set this face, but this face is gonna crease. So I will be right back with the eyeshadow. I've set my face with my MAC Studio Fix powder. I feel like this eyebrow looks very aggressive today. Like, he has a knife and he's coming for you. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do. First off, I feel like we need to open these palettes. I am very nervous because I'm afraid a few of them have smashed. I don't know. Ah, they're all intact. Okay, looks like this. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm not going to do like, you know, when you open up and like a pan drops out. No, I'm going to do it at like a slight angle. Looks like that. Ooh. Let's open up Golden State of Mind. So this is the free palette. None of them smashed either. So here, this is what it looks like. Golden State of Mind. Look at that packaging. That's so pretty. And these are like all shimmers. Oh, hello. These look pretty. I've heard mixed things about these. These look like pressed glitters. Kind of don't want to touch these yet. These are the 3 I bought. So this is UFO. This is Running in Orbits. And this is a Moonlit. So that's the three of them together. They do look pretty, but definitely these two have more pigment than Running in Orbit. But they're so cute. I kind of I don't know what look I want to do today. I just have a lot. And then I have these, which I'm going to swatch. This is the shade Snake Eyes. So this is just a single pressed eyeshadow. I'm gonna see. I can't wait to see how pigmented these are. No! I literally just jammed my fingernail in it. Flip! This is Snake Eyes looks. It's pretty. It's creamy. Okay, I'm then gonna take the shade Glass Ball. This is kind of like duochrome-esque one. Oh, look at that. So that's all like the eyeshadow single ones. Oh, that's so like, it's duochrome. I love it. I do have a highlighter. This is in the shade Over the Moon. I've never tried their highlighters before. I know they're like they're not powder. Like I know they have powder highlights, but I got the Super Shock ones. This is what it looks like. Ooh, okay. I'm nervous. What the fuck? That's a lot better with the finger. With the brush, I literally got nothing. Oh, it's like pinky. See that? Okay, let's use the actual eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use the My Little Pony because I need the matte shades. I just love this packaging, man. Like, look at that. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use some of the mattes. I'm going to start off using this white shade. Just a set. I'm then going to take this peach, and there's some fallout, but I'm going to run that through the crease. She's pigmented. Okay, I see you. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this shade already. Does this have a shade name? This is the shade Applejack, I think. Oh no, No, Applejack. The shade Applejack is beautiful. Okay, so I'm then gonna take, this is the shade Flutterby, this pinky shade, and I'm just gonna use the same brush. She pigmented. Oh, I just love pigmented stuff. So I'm gonna run that through the crease. Oh, hello. OMG, I just love these matte shades already. I'm gonna create like a pink galaxy fantasy today, and I'm so ready for it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Sky Dancer, which is this darker pink matte, and I'm gonna run that through the crease. This I'm feeling this Moonlit one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys ready? You guys ready? Ooh. Okay, she's a little patchy. little, I mean a lot. Ooh. Okay, and then just gonna move. I don't know, it just like doesn't want to pick up some places in my eye. I mean, that is pretty. That's very pretty. I think with the other eye, I'm gonna do the other shade. The other one I like, UFO. Hopefully this isn't as patchy. I'm kind of gonna do like a two-eye tone kind of look today. Oh, hello. Oh, the shade is stunning and not patchy at. Oh, I don't know if they've like done different formulas, but this shade is not patchy at all. Oh, like this shade looks way like thicker and chunkier. This shade glides. Kind of want to like test out these colors, so I'm gonna take a packer brush. I'm gonna go into, oh, she pigmented though, this shade here. And I'm gonna put that on top of that, this one here. Ooh! Take this colour here, which is the colour Heads or Tails. Heads or Tails, and I'm gonna put that on the other eye because I think it would look very pretty. I think it would look very, very pretty if this works. Oh, hello, fallout. Okay, so here are the eyeshadows. I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, there's so much friggin' fallout. Definitely prefer this eye. This eye is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Like, this is the eye I love. Look at that. Oh. And this is the eye where I'm like, you're a bit of a mess. So I think I'm just gonna take, oh, it's like falling off my eye. Okay, see that fallout? Oh my goodness, there is so much fallout. Look, you can see all that fallout. I'm gonna zoom you out. Okay, cool. I'm then gonna just take the same shades and run with that with my bottom lash line. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my inner corner highlighter. I wanted to use these ones because these are so pretty. Maybe I can like use them like. Oh my god, I'm doing a halo eye. Oh! Okay, so I finished my eye, so I did some mascara. So I think I'm gonna wet my Morphe highlight brush with my Marabidescu Rose Water. And I'm gonna take this shade here. This is the shade Golden Egg. just like need like more popping highlight. Oh, here comes my dog. This is my dog. Say hi. Hello. Oh, look at that highlight. That looks so much better with the eyeshadow on. They're a bit crunchy, like they flake off. They're not as great as the Cedar ones, but they're pretty nice. Now we have two lip products we can use. The first one is in the shade Chi. I have two of the Ultra Mattes. I do like the Ultra Mattes. They are pretty drying in gel. This is the shade Chi. It's like a light cool tone brown. It's a shade Chi. Definitely doesn't look the same as it does there. And then I've got the shade Take a Pixie as well. You'll see a common theme running with these. It's like a nude again. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh. What one to use? Take a Pixie. Top one, and that one's Chi. I might do Take a Pixie because it's warmer and my eyes are both warm and cool. Maybe I'll do like half and half. Off the bat, Chi reminds me of Sandstorm by NYX. They're liquid sides. This reminds me of Kylie Ginger. Look at. Yeah, so guys, that was my testing Colourpop makeup haul, whatever. Hope you liked it. My favourite products is probably those matte shadows. So stunning, and I do really like Take Pixie. It's really pretty. Not a massive fan of these Supernova shadows. I think some of them are a lot better, like the rose coloured, the rose gold one is the favourite. Highlighter, I'm very confused. I did layer it so it looks more blinding. It's alright. I think I need to play with it a bit more. I need to play with those glittery ones because they weren't as pigmented, but those My Little Pony eyeshadow palette, yes, I really like it. Yeah, so guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram and Twitter, which I will also put in the description box below as well, so make sure to follow me on my social media. Yeah, so I'm not sure I'll be able to do another video just because I'm going off to uni on Sunday. I'm very sorry, but it kind of happens and there's nothing I can do. No! The liquid lipstick smudged on here. Crud. Yeah, so guys, I hope you're having a great week and I will see you in a few months, weeks. I don't know. For probably another recap haul look. Yeah, so anyway guys, have a great week and yeah. Mwah. Bye.